everyone, and welcome to the IR Update. Today with us, we have Frank Parrish, President of GlobalTech. Hello, Frank.
Hi.
Great to have you here with us today.
Thanks so much for having me.
It's a pleasure. So to start, Frank, can you walk through GlobalTech Center of Excellence model and the moat your tools provide?
Yeah, absolutely. Our GlobalTech Center of Excellence, which, as you know, is GlobalTech is a technology-focused holding company, and our core focus is new technology stack of AI and big data solutions. And our GlobalTech Center of Excellence model really serves as our innovation core, where we can bring technology and our strategy and talent, converge all of these together, and then implement these into various other market niches so that we can then push those into best of class.
And congratulations on the Moda Pelle acquisition recently. This appears to be a great inflection point for GlobalTech. How does this transaction validate our platform strategy and create a pathway for future acquisitions?
Yeah, absolutely. Our acquisition approach is very disciplined. We're always looking for established, tangible businesses that have strong revenue visibility, that have defensible margins, that have a clear pathway for impactful growth, and that have a pre-set leadership team with significant experience. Then our role is to come in and be able to integrate our technologies, our big data and AI, through our Center of Excellence and help them to scale exponentially for future growth. Moda Pelle played into that perfectly because it meets all of those criteria. It had strong leadership team, had already robust top-line revenue, been around over 50 years as a brick and mortar company. We were able to help them by implementing our Thribo AI e-commerce platform technology, and then through the successful implementation of that, take them to the next level so that then they could compete globally and not just in the UK market, and ultimately scale that. And it was a very strategic acquisition for us because it's a proof of concept for our Thribo AI technology, as well as provided immediate top-line revenue for our company.
And while we have you talking about acquisition, how do you evaluate companies for acquisition, and how do you plan on funding future acquisitions?
Yeah, so our funding so far has been really provided by our backbone telecom operating company, which has been a strong company operating for over 30 years in the broadband and telecom network in Pakistan. That has funded our company to this point. And now, as you know, we're looking to uplist and be able to raise further capital to continue this trajectory. Our acquisition approach for various other companies has been very targeted. We're looking for, like I mentioned, established, tangible businesses that have strong revenue already, that have an established leadership team, that have a strong potential for growth, and that we're able then to look at their clear business plan and revenue growth and add additional value by implementing our AI and big data tools.
And can you walk through your current asset portfolio and how each fit into your role as a tech holding company? And how does GlobalTech differentiate from traditional roll-ups or platform companies?
Yeah, absolutely. So our company is comprised first with WorldCall Telecom Limited, which is a global telecom provider. It's primarily in Pakistan. It's been in Pakistan for 30-year operating history, actively traded on the Pakistan Stock Exchange. It's one of the largest and most liquid entities on the Pakistan Stock Exchange and has had significant growth. In 2024, we had 72% year-over-year growth, continued growth in 25. And it's also the host for our Center of Excellence that we're able then to take this big data and AI technology and implement into our other various operating segments. We also recently acquired Moda Pelle that we talked about, which is a UK retailer of footwear that has already been quite successful. They've been around for over 50 years. We're able to implement Thribo AI, which is our e-commerce platform, into that business. And it was a very strategic acquisition for us because it provided immediate top-line revenue of around 37 million. And it also showcases and provides a proof of concept for our e-commerce platform, Thribo AI. And then, as we talked about with that very disciplined target approach of what businesses we're going to implement and acquire, we have 3 platforms that we're actually ready to launch. The first is Cadence, which is basically a lending platform. It's an all-in-one solution for banks and credit unions so that they can implement this technology and complete all processes of lending. So if you think about the way lenders typically perform lending, they have a bunch of very different systems for customer relationship database, for underwriting, risk analysis, for regulatory compliance. Cadence brings all of this into one platform. So it's seamless, it's efficient, complete integration. We've already had a lot of interest in Cadence, and we know it really is going to revolutionize the way lending is done. Our second platform is Thribo AI that we mentioned a little bit. That one is our e-commerce solution. And this is the one that we were able to successfully implement into our recent Moda Pelle acquisition. This is a full e-commerce solution. It has full back office accounting, inventory tracking, marketing, and a self-learning AI platform so that as end users use the marketing through a business's website that's integrated this, it's completely self-learning so that as a customer interacts with it and puts in their preferences, within a few clicks of a mouse, this platform will determine what their likes and dislikes are and be able to completely target market to that customer. We also have Baseball Blitz, which is a social media platform for baseball. Anybody that plays baseball, whether it's children's little leagues or middle school, high school teams, colleges, universities, corporate softball leagues, anyone can join this. It's free to join. And then there's a $100 annual subscription fee after that for all of our value-added services. And what it allows them to do is they can join a network of other like-minded individuals, form teams, they can schedule games, they can do complete game day management. It allows live streaming of the games over the platform. They can sell merchandise for their teams through the platform, and it even has an AI coaching technology behind it.
And talking about future, we have a potential NASDAQ uplisting on the horizon. So what key catalysts or milestones should investors be on the lookout for in 2026?
Yeah, this is what we're most excited about. Is we're right now going through our process of raising capital. We're raising bridge capital right now. We're looking to raise 3 to 5 million in bridge capital as we successfully move to uplisting on NASDAQ. Once we uplist on NASDAQ, we'll be looking at raising an additional 10 to 15 million, which will allow us to complete our process of taking these platforms that we're talking about current. And we're in the final stages now of SEC approval, so we should be effective very soon. And we've also been through the initial stages of NASDAQ and FINRA approval. So we're looking to launch very soon and be able to bring forth all of these exciting technologies all at once.
Well, it was great having you here with us today, and I wish you all the best. And thanks for joining the IR Update today.